Hello and welcome to DataSunrise functionality demonstration video. In today's video we will discuss how to configure DataSunrise custom reporting tool in order to distill thousands of events DataSunrise may capture to find the required data. For this, we will proceed to the reporting report gen section. Here you can manage and create custom reports based on various topics. You can generate reports based on audit events, security, or masking events. You can also leverage data discovery report in order to get hard copy of your search results, as well as many others like operations or system events. For the sake of the demo, I will try to extract the required data from my audit storage. I can see that there are thousands of events, and I would like to get the very exact information on my database activity. I have two use cases. First, I would like to get more insights on queries which revolve around my business objects which are utilized by my application. I would like to get all the queries. For this, you can leverage object groups option to group your database objects which are related to the particular cases. For example, I've chosen to group all my application database entities into app business objects object group, and I will treat it as a one entity in my reporting, auditing, and security policies, as well as I can extract the data based on this object group. So let's configure this report. I will choose audit type. In a PDF format. Now I have to choose my instance, which is Postgres, and my object group, app business objects. Oh, we have here multiple filtering options in order to get what is required. First, you can filter this data based on the particular query types of interest. Second, you can choose on what rules you would like to receive a report. If you have multiple rules for different occasions, you can stick to one rules from the list, or to inspect data gathered by all the rules, including the deleted ones. And finally, data filter. Data filter allows you to perform extra filtering. You can find the details on data filter values in DataSunrise user guide. This may come in handy when you have to distill your events even better. But for now, let's try and extract all the data which is related to my particular object group, which is registered in my database. I will be generating report based on the data which I gathered from the beginning of my this day. And you can also configure how frequently you would like to generate this report, ranging from manual to weekly and even monthly. I will choose manual option for the sake of the demo. Okay, let's save and start our report generation process. Let's download the result and see what we have. Okay, I can see that most of the queries are executed by Postgres user, which is probably used by my application. I would like to drill down deeper and find out who else touched my business objects. For this, let's reconfigure our audit report generator task to exclude my Postgres user. For this, I will use sessions username filter Here you can utilize the SQL query syntax to get the required conditions. Mine condition is username not equals to Postgres. Okay, very good. Let's save and start execution of our task. Let's inspect the results. I can see that I got much less data judging by file size. Let's find out what we got there. Very good. I can see that some other user touched my database objects related to my application. So that after that I will be able to contact this person and investigate why this activity was issued. Very good. So the second case is I would like to extract data related to user creation, manipulation, privilege escalation, and so on. For this, I will create another audit report. For my Postgres instance. And here I will be using query types. You can use search input in order to find the required categories of SQL queries. I will choose users modify and grant statements because I'm not sure what my database engine uses for privilege escalation and managing the privileges. Okay, I will leave all other parameters as is. I'm okay with them. Let's save our audit report and start its execution. Okay, let's inspect this document. So here I can see some queries coming from Postgres user. Okay, I would like to filter it even more and combine my existing techniques. Okay, let's do the same way and filter out Postgres user to find out who else was playing with privileges in my environment. Let's start generation of our report. Okay, let's download the results and see. Okay, I can see that some seemingly developer account was playing with privileges and created some users and even changed some passwords. Password data is not exposed in the reports and the audit data, should be noticed. So, to sum up, in today's video we demonstrated how to use DataSunrise report gen functionality to distill thousands or millions of events which DataSunrise may keep, resulting in an efficient tool for the reporting, investigation, and for extracting insight for the security and database team. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.